Today, I want to discuss a question that is on the minds of many homebuyers in Washington state. What is the average monthly mortgage payment on a $400,000 home in this region? As you may know, the cost of living in Washington state is relatively high, which can make buying a home a significant financial undertaking. Let's explore this topic in more detail. First, it's important to understand that the average monthly mortgage payment on a $400,000 home will depend on a variety of factors, including interest rates, loan terms, and down payment amount. However, we can use some general calculations to estimate what this payment might look like. Assuming a 20% down payment of $80,000 on a $400,000 home, you would be financing $320,000. Let's say you obtain a 30-year fixed-rate mortgage with an interest rate of 3.5%. According to a mortgage calculator, your monthly principal and interest payment would be approximately $1,437. However, this is just the principal and interest payment. It's important to consider additional costs that come with homeownership, such as property taxes, homeowners insurance, and private mortgage insurance if your down payment is less than 20%. These costs will vary depending on where you live in Washington state, as property taxes and insurance rates are determined on a local level. In Washington state, property tax rates vary depending on the county and city you live in. For example, in King County, the property tax rate is around 0.92% of the home's assessed value, while in Snohomish County, the rate is around 1.03%. Assuming a property tax rate of 0.92%, the annual property tax bill on a $400,000 home would be approximately $3,680 or $307 per month. Homeowners insurance rates also vary depending on the location of the home and the insurance provider. According to data from Value Penguin, the average annual homeowners insurance premium in Washington state is around $928 or $77 per month. If your down payment is less than 20%, you may also be required to pay for private mortgage insurance until you have enough equity in your home. PMI rates vary depending on the lender and the size of your down payment, but it typically ranges from 0.3% to 1.5% of the original loan amount per year. Assuming a PMI rate of 0.5%, you would be paying an additional $133 per month for PMI until you reach 20% equity in your home. Therefore, taking all of these factors into account, the estimated monthly mortgage payment on a $400,000 home in Washington state would be approximately $1,954, including principal and interest, property taxes, homeowners insurance, and PMI if applicable. It's important to remember that these calculations are estimates and that your actual mortgage payment will depend on a variety of factors, including your credit score, loan term, and interest rate. Additionally, this estimate does not include other costs associated with homeownership, such as maintenance and repair costs, utilities, and homeowners association fees. If you're considering purchasing a home in Washington state, it's important to do your research and work with a qualified lender who can help you understand all of the costs associated with homeownership. While buying a home can be a significant financial commitment, it can also be a rewarding investment that provides stability and long-term financial benefits. In conclusion, the average monthly mortgage payment on a $400,000 home in Washington state would be approximately $1,954, including principal and interest, property taxes, homeowners insurance, and PMI if applicable.